afternoon. Welcome to the second leg of the program. It's Backchat. Your host is Basimon Tewa. He's here. He's not new to Backchat. To Cape Townians, all the way from Cape Town, from Mitchell's Plain.
Used to be Mitchell. But Mitchell's Plain, yes.
Yeah, it used to be Mitchell.
It used to be Mitchell's Plain, you know, and now I've got my teeth fixed, and now I'm from Observatory.
Yeah, Mitchell's Plain to Observatory. That's another production, okay?
There's a whole show right there. You know.
It's a show. What Mitchell's Plain up, but and a taxi.
Thanks for having me over. It's nice to be here.
Yeah, and for those who are regular watchers of SABC TV, going no slow, that's the guy. Yes, you guessed that. That's him. He's here. He's just a phone call away at 021-448-6277. Because we were chatting outside here, you saying you just finished a product run,
Yes.
Which one is it?
Well, I was running Chris Kundra live recently on Broadway, and that was very lekker. We had lots of fun, and now I'm moving on to a nice big theatre, hopefully with lots of bums and seats. I hope you're actually taking notes. Bums and seats, it's going to be lekker. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. This one's called Homegrown. The posters went up today, and it's a big support group about being South African, because I think as South Africans we've been dealt a couple of blows recently. You know, the electricity prices going up, and you know what I mean. You know what I mean? There's so many things that we got to complain about. So I thought, either that, or I'm either going to have to lay on somebody's couch somewhere and pay 450 rand an hour for them to go, now does that make you feel? Or I can go and book a theatre and do group therapy with like 600 people a night. We have a lot of fun.
We're going
to make lots of money, I'm pretty sure.
Now, Homegrown, what is it all about?
Well, it's about being a support group for each other over here. I'm a comedian, and my job really is to point out our society, how we perceive things. My job is to hold up the mirror, really. And I think
looking at ourselves.
Exactly, looking at ourselves. I think there's a lot of good and a lot of challenging things that has happened in the last year. And the show is really just taking on what we see in the news, what we think about all the time, what we talk about around the braai. And you go, and it's either your girlfriend you're complaining about, or your boss you're complaining about, or Eskom putting the electricity prices up. So you know what? But the idea is, as the show progresses, you'll realize that it's more of a celebration. Really, we celebrating being South African towards the. I don't want to give away too much, but it'll be lekker. It'll be grand, man. I can't wait.
So this is it sounds like a whole family movie.
Yes, it's a family show. It's a family show.